I'm looking real forward to videotaping you sack racing. Mom.
It would have been fun to watch you sack race as well.
It'd be really a lot more fun to watch you give birth in the lawn right now.
Okay, some people have dropped out, so we need to make sure it's 5 and 5, or if it's 4, somebody's got to go twice.
Oh, Ben will be down here.
Two guys going twice. No, I'm on your side.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Okay, so which teams have 4 and which teams have 5?
5. I'm going twice.
Okay, you got it figured out then?
Yeah.
All right, you guys got it figured out.
You're going to be
You want to be on this end? Yeah, okay, I'll be on this end.
You want to go first?
No. Sheena's gonna be on our team. She doesn't need a sack. Okay.
That would be walking. I could, if they're okay with that, I would be okay with that.
Put the sack over here.
Way safer. I almost run into a tree.
Okay, listen up. All right. So the people on this side, you're only going one direction down. You're not coming back up unless you specifically have people dropped out that somebody has to be designated to go twice, in which case only that person will go both directions, okay? So once you go down, that's it. Okay, we're doing 10 turns. Those people go up and not down. Got it?
Got it.
So we're starting over here. Everybody goes down and then gets out of the way so that your other half can do with the sack. All right, so what we have to do with the sack is to step into it and hop, correct? Hop, just hop. Okay, just like that. Good demonstration. You want to demonstrate further?
Terrible.
Can we rotate any way we want to?
Okay, this is what we're doing. Sack race, hop. Both feet have to be in the sack. Okay.
Sure. Wait, what's...
Right. This side is bringing the sack all the way down. You have to pass the cone, and there's not that much room. Pass the cone before you get out of the sack, and your teammate gets in the sack and runs it back up. Okay? Traditional sack race.
Runs it back up?
Are we crossing the rope or the cone?
I would say that rope would be easier to
I
determine.
think the rope was set up specifically for that. Okay, so you guys have to cross the rope before you get out of the sack. Okay, yeah. Now once you guys are done on that side, you probably just want to get out of the way and be a spectator over here, so it's not so bad. Okay. Is that anything else, Chris?
There's Grandpa Jack playing with us.
All right, are we ready?
He's on the tractor. What's he doing? Yeah.
You have to hop.
He's just still on the land. It's just...
I wouldn't think there's anything faster than hopping anyway, but... Okay. On your marks. Get set. Go! Come on, Trenton, here we go, here we go, here we go! Go, Trenton, The bomb strikers?
No.
The bomb, Patriots, strikers, and then don't chat on me. Okay.
Way to go, everybody!
You gotta pee now.
Wisdom gained with years.
Yeah?
We've made it through tug of war and sack race with no broken bones. It's time for ice cream.
I don't think
I second the motion.
Why are you gonna say the same thing?
we're good right now.
Why are you asking Michelle?
I'm not in charge.
Huh? Like mother daughter.